Good morning, students. As in the previous videos of this chapter organization, we have discussed meaning, definition, and importance of organization. And today we will discuss formal and informal organization. So, what is formal organization? What is formal organization? When the managers are carrying on organizing process, then as a result of organizing person, an organizational structure is created to achieve systematic working and efficient utilization resource. This type of structure is known as formal organization structure. Again, formal organization structure clearly spells out the job to be performed by each individual of authority, responsibility assigned to every individual, the superior subordinate relations, and the delegation or designation of every individual in the organization. Means in formal organization, manager do a lot in communicating and distributing the authorities to the internal environment. Now, features of formal organization. The formal organizational structure is deliberately created structure. Means in it structures are created like CEO, then two managing directors, then department heads. So this type of structural behavior in this. Then the purpose of formal organization structure is achievement of organizational goal. Okay, means as we all know that the basic motive of management is to achieve the organizational goal. So this work will also be done to achieve that goals. Formal is job oriented, means in this job creation is being done. Then in formal organization, every individual is assigned a fixed authority. Means in this type of organization, every individual person has given a fixed authority, a fixed work, and that particular responsibility will be completed by them. Okay, what is the advantages of this? First of all, systematic working. In this, systematic working is being done means everyone knows their work. They don't need to do another work, so they will work accordingly. Achievement of organizational goals. All type of organizational goals will be achieved through this. Then no overlapping of work. Overlapping of work is not being done. Okay. Maintains unity of command. A single organization, a single structure will give the command to everyone, and every person will have to do accordingly. Okay. So more emphasis on working. If people know that what they actually need to do, then at that time they will emphasize their working, means their working will be more efficient. What is disadvantage? Slow decision making. We have to think, or management had to think a lot before giving the authority to everyone. Then ignore social needs of employees. Any social needs of employees will be ignored. Sorry. Now, just moving to the informal organization. In the formal organization structure, individuals are assigned various job positions. While working in these job positions, the individual interact with each other and develop some social and friendly groups. So this type of groups are called informal organization. Suppose there are 10 teachers in the school, and besides of the relation in the school, they have a personal group. They chat with each other. They communicate with each other. And suppose if Mr. A is not in situation to do a lot of work, they can share the work with Mr. B. Okay, with their personal relations. So that will be informal organization feature. Informal organization structure gets created automatically without any intended efforts. Okay, suppose there are many colleagues. If you are working in an organization, there will be some friends, and that particular thing is called informal organization. Okay, informal organizational structure is created by the employee to get psychological satisfaction. Okay, this does not follow any fixed path. Okay, sources of information cannot be known under informal structure, as any person can communicate with anyone in the organization. So in it, sources of information doesn't have any weight. Means it can be flown from anywhere. So there are many type of advantages and disadvantages of this. First of all, fast communication fulfills social needs. It fulfills the social need. If you want any type of help from any other, you can receive that. True feedback and reactions in informal communication, you always speak the truth. Okay, strategic use of informal organization, there are many uses of that. Disadvantage is spread rumors. There are many type of rumor spread due to this type of organization. No systematic way of working, as we all know that this is a personal relation based communication organization. So here systematic working is not being done. Bring negative results. Many times it brings negative results. Suppose that Mr. A knows that Mr. B is getting higher salary than him, so there will be negative impact on it. Now difference. Formal organization is an organizational structure and it is an unorganized structure. Then formal organization is created deliberately by top management. It created by top management, but it created automatically, okay, by the member. It is aimed to fulfilling the organizational objectives and it is for psychological and social needs. Formal organization is permanent in nature, but it's temporary. Okay, so this is it for today's video. In the next video, we will learn delegation of authority and decentralization, and after that, this chapter will be completed. If you have any doubt and any query, you can ask. Till then, you all are requested to learn, study, and focus. And if there is any type of query, you can ask. Our school will always there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye, students.